I'm Hemnath from second year cybersecurity department going to explain about the implementation of K-means clustering for customer segmentation using Python program. Now I have used Google Colab for this experiment. I have already imported the necessary CSV file. So I am going to start the program. Import. I have imported these two header files for the pandas are used for data handling and manipulation. Matplotlib, the pyplot is used as for plotting the graphs. Then we are going to read the CSV file. In this, we have used data.head for reading the first 5 rows for the quick preview. These are the first 5 rows of the data set from all the mall customers. Then we are going to have the data info, which displays the summary of the data sets like columns, data types, and non-null values. These are the column non-null value, count and data type, customer ID, gender, age, annual income, and spending score. Now we are going to use data.this now. This function is used for checking any missing values in each columns. Import the k-means cluster algorithm and initialize an empty list WCSS to store the within cluster sum of squares for different cluster counts. This line explains as the run k-means for cluster count from 1 to 10. Data.ilog in bracket semicolon comma 3 semicolon selects the annual income and the spending score columns, assuming these are fourth and fifth columns. Inertia gives the WCSS value which is append to the list. Now we are going to plot this graph. Now this is the graph which is plotted. Now we are given the x label as number of clusters and a plot y label for WCSS and plot title is elbow method, which plots the elbow curve to help visually identify the best number of clusters. Now we are going to train the k-means with optimal cluster count. We are taking the sample as 5. Here it creates a k-means model with 5 clusters and fits into the data. It predicts the cluster for each data point and stores the cluster labels under the y predict and adds the cluster label as a new column cluster in the original data frame. Then we visualize the clusters. Here it creates separate data frames for the each of the 5 clusters. Then we'll plot a scatter plot using different colors using annual income on the x-axis and spending score on the y-axis. Now we have plotted each cluster in a different color using annual income on the x-axis and spending score on the y-axis. It adds a legend and a title to the plot that is named as customer segmentation and the text sizes of 0.5 and 1.0. Thank you.